and welcome to Hongan. Next, I will introduce you to our laboratory. Firstly, is salt spray chamber. Please take a look. It's press vulcanizer. Fatigue tester, rubber fatigue tester. Next, tablet punching machine, and we can get some tablet. And next machine is pencil machine. We use it to test the tension testing. This is projector. And Murni's viscometer for testing the Murni of rubber. Loadless vulcanizer. And thermal aging tester for high temperature testing. And a low temperature brittleness tester for rubber low temperature testing. And the next machine is friction tester. It's accurate friction tester. Another tester also for friction tester testing is reciprocating friction tester. Follow me. This is a chemical room, and the first machine is open lightning tester. It's for oil testing, and it's electronic density detector for the density testing. And we have many testing equipment. If you want to know more about our laboratory, please contact with us. Thank you.